Good afternoon. Today we see example number 3. Determine whether each of the following is PD, probability distribution, or PMF, that is probability mass function. Give reason for your answer. Question number first, x 0, 1, 2. P of x means probability of 0 is 0.4, probability of 1 is 0.4, probability of 2 is 0.2. We know from definition of probability distribution or PMF, all probability must greater than or equal to 0. That is, C P of x कडे पाहायचं. ऑल प्रोबॅबिलिटी पॉझिटिव्ह आहेत का चेक करायचं. फर्स्ट कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाईड. नाव सेकंड कंडिशन, समेशन P of x equal to, that is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 equal to 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2. Therefore, given table has PD or PMF or PMF. PD means probability distribution and PMF means probability mass function. First condition, first step, see over here, P of x कडे पाहायचं टेबलमधल्या. त्या जर सगळ्या पॉझिटिव्ह असतील तर पहिली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय. दुसरी कंडिशन, सगळ्या प्रोबॅबिलिटीची ॲडिशन 1 आली पाहिजे. 1 पेक्षा वेगळी आली तर PD नसतं किंवा PMF नसतं. 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2 equal to 1.0, that is equal to 1. Therefore, given table has PD or PMF. Similarly, question number 2, x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 table given असतो. 0.1, 0.5, 0.2, minus 0.1, 0.3. See from table, P of 3 equal to minus 0.1, that is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. And probability for any value of x, probability of any value of x cannot be negative. Therefore, given table has not PD or not PMF. PD or not PMF. PD or not PMF. See over here and write in your notebook. That is question number 3, example number first and example number second. That is, determine whether each of the following is PD or PMF. PD or PMF. PD means probability distribution. PD means probability distribution. PD equal to probability distribution. And PMF means probability mass function. Probability mass function. See and write in your notebook, that is PMF. Similarly, homework, that is example number 3 and 4. Homework. third, fourth, 5. Question number 3. Example number 4, 5, 6. Example number 4, 5, 6. That is for homework. Now, question number 8. That is a random variable x. A random variable x has the PD, has probability distribution. It has probability distribution. X, P of x, x, P of x. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. K, 2k, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Find k. Find k. Second, p x less than 3. Third, p x greater than 4. P 0 less than x less than 3. See, question number 4. A random variable x has following probability distribution. x चे व्हॅल्यू दिलेत 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. p ऑफ x चे व्हॅल्यू दिलेत k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k स्क्वेअर, 2k स्क्वेअर, 7k plus k. Given table has PD. PD means probability distribution. Therefore, P of 1 plus P of 2 plus dash dash P of 7 equal to 1. That is k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. Therefore, 10k square plus 9k equal to 0. 10k square plus 9k equal to 1. Therefore, 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to 1 by 10 or k equal to 1. K equal to minus 1. K equal to minus 1. But k equal to minus 1 not possible. K equal to minus 1 not possible because p of x cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. Solving this quadratic equation, that is 10k square plus 10k minus 1k minus 1 equal to 0. We get k equal to 1 by 10. See and write in your notebook. That is random variable x has probability distribution. Find k. K equal to minus 1. First one. Second one, px less than 3. Px less than 3 means p of 1 plus p of 2. That is equal to k plus 2k. Equal to 3k equal to 3 by 10. K equal to 1 by 10. That is p of x less than 3 equal to 1 by 10 into 3. That is 3 by 10. Now, third one. Px greater than 4 equal to p of 5 plus p of 6 plus p of 7. x greater than 4, greater than or equal to असतं तर 4 आलं असतं. greater than 4 म्हणजे 5, 6, 7. That is k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. That is 10k square plus k. That is 10 into 1 by 10, 100 plus 1 by 10. 2 by 10 equal to 1 by 5. Px greater than 4. Px greater than 4. That is answer of question number 3. Now, question number 4. P 0x less than 3 equal to p of 1 plus p of 2, that is equal to k plus 2k equal to 3k equal to 3 by 10. P 0x less than 3, that is answer of the given question. Question number 4. See and write in your notebook. That is, a random variable x has probability distribution म्हणजे सगळ्या probabilityची ॲडिशन 1 असते. याप्रमाणे example number first you can solve. See and write in your notebook. That is probability distribution. See over here. Now example number 4, 5, 6 for homework. For homework. See and write in your assignment book. That is example number. Step first, probability distribution, all probability.